Once you've created a 3D tour in IMMOVIEWER, it's possible to order a doll's house 3D graphic or 3D model of the property using the members area on IMMOVIEWER. To do this, the first thing to do is to organize the tour, and we'll take 22 Annandale Crescent as an example. Organize the tour so that the tour looks correct when viewed by a member of the graphics team or even the public. So click on the edit button. It'll bring up the house in question. And at this point, it's important to align the icons on the door symbols so that you can navigate the house sensibly and properly. These icons should be at the right height and in the right location, ideally in the center of a door. So if we take the outside of this property here, we can move the icon onto the doorway and then go through that into the hallway, into the room. Then when we're inside the hall, there should be an icon back to the front garden, which there is, nice and central. One into the WC. I can't see one for this room or for upstairs, so we'll just click on this icon here in the bottom left hand corner, and perhaps that's living room. So we'll apply a living room, or go into the living room, and we'll see whether there's one on the other side of the door, which there is. So go back into the hallway, enter room. So we'll add the hotspot icon for the lounge or living room there. So click on the door and then select living room. That will now put the living room icon on. Go back into the living room. Let's just see that these are all in the right location. So kitchen diners through there by the looks of things. The hallway is that way, and that's fine. This is a little bit overexposed, so when creating this tour, be careful of the amount of light coming through from outside. It quite often does this if you've clicked on the aperture setting on the app on the phone to brighten the room, so just be mindful of that. Enter the room, kitchen diner. Again, turn the camera around, make sure you've got an icon. Similarly here, we've brightened this room too much light coming through the windows, so just be careful of that. Exit, press yes. Now once it's finished loading, we can order the 2D floor plan. We won't actually go through the process of this because it was just a demonstrator, but click on this button here. In fact, this one at the top at Eastfield Drive, we actually are ready to order. So we'll click on order 2D floor plan and dollhouse. This will bring up another screen within a screen. And here we order this dollhouse, not the floor plan only, but the dollhouse and floor plan. And IMMOVIEWER will actually create the floor plan and the dollhouse from the photographs that you've taken. The camera actually measures the room at the same time. So if you click on order, and it's asking you the height of the camera lens when the 3D tour was created. Now, to overcome this, you can always press use default value of 1.55 meters. Alternatively, put in an exact value of the height of the camera if you prefer to set your camera to a certain height. Then just press order. Success, that's been requested, and the tour will be ready within 24 to 48 hours. In the meantime, you can use the tour on the CRM system as previously mentioned in the new instruction Resi tutorial, but the dollhouse will not be applied for another day or two. We'll get an email to tell us that that's ready, and we'll go from there. But that's how you edit a 3D tour and actually apply the dollhouse and floor plan order to it as well. Okay.